Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2025 in Salt Lake City, and it's really hot outside, and I'm with Michael here from SyGlass, and you have this really cool 3D VR setup working with data. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, sure. So SyGlass is built from the ground up to handle volumetric image stacks. We load it into a virtual reality environment. You can put it on, hold your data as if it was a hologram. This year we are sort of releasing some new automated workflows that allow you to segment cells and other structures inside of SyGlass. And recently, I might have talked about this last year, but we've pushed into the education space. So we're now teaching high school students and undergraduates with our setup so they can explore real volumetric data sets from the scientists in the classroom. So a lot of exciting things happening.
Oh, no, that sounds really, really cool. And yeah, the automatic segmentation thing is hot right now, just in all the different fields. And when you look at this data that you guys have, I mean, you think about trying to segment out, thousands and thousands of little tiny, cells or whatever
exactly.
structures.
Yeah.
Holy cow, that just makes my head hurt.
Yeah, the one I was showing you earlier, it's 65,000 different unique cells in there. We actually reached the limit of our cell counter, so there may be more, but
wow. It's really, really impressive. So if people are interested in talking to you about your system, where can they find you online?
Yep, SyGlass.io.
SyGlass.io. Okay. Well, we got more coming up from M&M 2025 soon. We'll see you.